She did joke. Oopsie. Hi guys, so I'm just getting home. I thought I was going to do my hair, my Christmas cornrows. Let me not say Christmas hair, so the expectations will not be high. My Christmas cornrows. I wanted to get them at the salon where he gets his hair cut, but the lady that does it for me, she's not around, so I just ended up waiting for him to finish his haircut and come right home. I'll go somewhere in my estate and get my hair done much later. So for now, you guys, I look crazy, but never mind, I'm gonna fix that. Let's unbox this guy. This package took longer than it should. It's almost 1 month since I ordered this thing, so it has taken a lot longer than it should, but I guess because it's the festive period. I got this fan. Let's see if this one is actually good. I got this for traveling because this season. Okay, I think that's good. Guys, it's like the thing is not coming on. It's like it's not coming on. I don't know, it's not working. Am I doing something wrong? We'll come back to this later, but I like the color. It's right there in the back. Is that the only thing that? How was that one on its own? Let's see. This is atomizer, Abby. Yeah, for perfumes, to put in perfumes for traveling. To decant perfumes. It's a set of 4. Yeah. This suction phone holder is magnetic. I don't know why I keep buying this suction phone holder. The last one I got was crappy. It couldn't hold my phone, you guys. It was just a waste. I'm hoping this one is not like that. I don't think there's any need to like. And that one I got it from Shein. It was not good. I don't know. I don't think it's exactly the same. Hopefully this one is better. Lip liner sets. Let's see. Guys, I'm sweating. Ooh. I don't think I'm with any handkerchief here. It's many too. It's quite a lot. Let's see. You guys are literally the same shade of lip liner. It's weird. But they're not even mixed. I thought they were supposed to be mixed like different shades. What's I want to use all these brown lip liners though. And they are like 6, Abby. Yeah, they are 6. Damn it. Oh, I think they are different shades actually. Different shades of brown. Let's try this. It's really pigmented. I got this for my skincare product. Skincare product. Skincare purse. Yeah. I got stick on nails. They look pretty, but I already have nails done, so not right now. You guys, this is my phone pouch or my phone that I just lost. That's so hard. Oh, and this is so cute. I got so many. This transparent one is also nice. Then look at this. This is beautiful. Oof. Now what am I gonna do with these? I don't use this phone anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably gonna give it to somebody that is using the 15. I don't know who. This is another sock. I got this one from my friend. This is a bag. This bag is small though. Bag is small though. But it's cute. I got this bag for I think 30-something thousand, and it's so small. But it's cute. Look at it. I think it's cute. I think I want to give this to my sister. I don't know. I think, does it have a long strap? It does have a long strap. I think it's not bad. It's very small, but I'm a mini bag girl, so I think it's not bad. Then the last but not the least, this is a shoe. Let's try it out. Let's see. I don't think this shoe is gonna be my size. Guys, it's so hot. I can't wait to go inside. It's big though. But like, I think it's nice. It's not bad. I think it's big. It says size 11. I wear 41. I don't know, but this looks good actually. This does not look bad. But I feel like the heel is short. It's small, but probably it's for good. It's a good thing. At least the shoe will be comfortable. Do you think it's nice? It's not like a shoe. It's like a slippers, a sandals, a daily sandal. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, I think that's all. Anyways, guys, that's it. Good morning. Good morning. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to you all. Because I'm going to get my lashes done. I was able to get an appointment for today, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm so happy. Today is Christmas Day. I'm still in town. This is like one of my very few, probably even my first Christmas in town. But I'm happy. I love it. I'm spending the Christmas with my man. And this is also my first Christmas with my husband. Like, not married, but like I'm spending it with him. I'm usually in the village. Last Christmas I was in the village as well. But this Christmas, I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm so happy. Anyways, Merry Christmas to you guys. Let's go get my lashes done.
My head when we see another videos of this. This same pastor when he say make they enter ark, make they go see.
Before you overtake me, even if they overtake me, I'll come first for enter sentence. No, you.
To wash. Got this set of parts as a gift. It's a new set of parts. I got it as a gift. This one. So. Oh my god. Plantain. It came with the plantain. Gosh, so tired. Then some fufu. I'm gonna be putting these in the fridge. Then Gary. This is Gary. Then this keg of palm oil.
My little girl. I did. Yes.
Some jewelry, my wristwatch.